video I am going to explain how to draw the orthographic view of the given object. If you haven't watched any of those previous videos, kindly check it out. The link will be available in the description. So now we have to draw the top view, front view and side view of the given object. So this will be the front side view. So we have to draw this. Just open AutoCAD and first you have to type this limits, and lower left corner should be 210 and upper right corner should be 297. And next you have to fix the units. The precision should be 0. Okay. Now first let's draw the front view. So front view will be from A to B and C. This section will be the front view. So let's draw it. Go to line and length of 40. So 40. And next this is also 40. So again draw one line for 40. So now we have to draw this line for 10 mm. Again this also is 10, 10, 10. From here draw a line for 10 mm and 110. Again 110. Now what you have to do is you have to draw this line. So go to line, from here connect this. So this will be our front view. Now we have to draw the top view. Top view is when you see this object from the top, this rectangle will be seen, and this rectangle, and this rectangle, and this part will be seen. So there will be totally 4 rectangles. From here draw a length of 40. So totally 4 rectangles of 10 mm length. So when you see this from top, it will be seen like a square of 4 rectangles. So 1, this part 2, and this one 3, and this one 4. So 4 rectangles. So now next we have to draw the side views. So when you see it from the right side view, from this side, it will be seen like a square, and even if you see it from the left hand side, it will be seen like a square only. So you have to draw one. So this line represents the inner hidden surface. So the right side view and the left side will be same in this object. So now we have to give the dimensions. So that's how you give the dimension, and in this will be the right hand side and left hand side view, this will be the top view, and this will be the front side view. And that's how you draw the different views of an object. It is also known as orthographic view. And if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. Even my mail ID is available, you can even mail me, and those doubts will be clarified in the upcoming videos.